Alright, this is the inside of the Angel Rest bunkhouse. That's where I stayed last night. There's my pack. I'm getting ready to go. Outside, you can see that there's a trailer over there, and that's if you get a private room. There's the brand new restrooms downstairs. There's a kitchen and shower. A lot of people have been here. Super friendly people. Free pickup and drop off. I enjoyed this. Here's the sign above. There's Alpine on the top, and let's see, Red Mage is down there, bottom left-hand corner. And there's some other people in there too that I've seen on the way. So there you go, guys. Here we go, day. What is this? 135. All right, day 135. I spent last night in the shelter, got in late after a big day. Went out and ate last night and resupplied this morning. Washed all my clothes, washed me. And the trail I mentioned yesterday has grown up so much. I decided to, I went to Walmart and got the Sawyer permethrin. Hope I'm saying that right. I went over all my clothes again. I don't want any tick jumping on me. So there you go. Let's see how far I can go today. I'm not starting, it's 3 o'clock now. I got a big old 2,000-foot climb right in front of me. I just drank a big old Coke and a big old Gatorade. So I ought to be well hydrated. All right, here we go. All right. So I'm climbing up to Angel's Rest. And look at this cool rock. Looks like I go this way. So I'm walking between this. How neat. Here's the sign. Angel's Rest View Walk. All right. I want to see the view. I bet it's wonderful. Except for the trash down here. Cousin named Angel. She makes cakes. Angel's Cakes. They're beautiful. How cool is this? There's the river. The new river. Where that yesterday. There's the town. The trail came in right by that plant. Came off that mountain. What's that? The view is a lot better on top of this rock. There's the river. There's the river over there. There's Walmart. There's the town. How cool. All right. Pearisburg. Very nice. Right. Here's the view from the other side of the mountain. This is spectacular. Here's a hawk down there somewhere. All right, looks like I got rain coming in, so I'm gonna have to pick it up a little bit. So here I go.